Okay, this video is for you cold pail guys. I'm putting the covers on my EFM 350. Let's see, let me know what's going on here. Turn the camera. Alright, so I got the top on. I got all the screws in, but that one, this pipe here is moving the heat to the house right now. So when I get that out of the way, I'll tighten that screw. But I got the top on. I don't see any screws attaching this to there, no screw holes. I guess it just floats. I got this piece on the, oh man, the camera works bad. Is that zoomed in? No, it's not. Okay, well, it's a small basement. All right, yeah, I got that piece screwed in there. There's a couple of screws. I got this bar down here. If you can see it. Right there, I got that bar in there. Okay, I got some gaps there. I don't know. I guess there's supposed to be panels that go there. And I guess I goofed and put the auger in first. This is all I got. I got the hinges for the door. Can't wait to get rid of those. There's one. There's the door. I got the EFM badge out in the shop. I got left is two of these angles that scrapper gave me. This one here. Oh. I got two of these. I'm not going to show you the other one. It's the same. It looks like they're new. I'm assuming they go in here. Assuming they go in here like, oh man, bad camera work. In there like that. Flip that up. Have to make a set of holes. I'm assuming they go in there. Okay. All right. So I have two of those. Answers that. Right in the back here, I got this panel in the back here held with a couple screws. I'm gonna have to find some bigger self tappers, but I'm missing a panel. I think I see a screw hole there, a screw hole here, a screw hole here. Come over here. I got another screw hole here, one here, one here. Yeah, see that one there just pops out. I gotta get some bigger self tappers. Oh, so that's what I got. I was wondering if there's a panel that goes there. Do I make one up, or maybe Steve forgot to give it to me? I don't know. Yes, I'm just asking you guys if I got this right. Covers are just kind of floating there. Is that how it works? I don't remember. It's been so long since I put the other EFM, the hot air furnace together. I don't remember. You know, I had surgery 7 years ago, several surgeries, and it just wiped out my long-term memory. So here, this is what I got. I don't know if I showed anybody on video yet. And yeah, there's the main circulator pump for the primary zone there. I got another one of those for my radiant zone. Wilo, made in France, and it was cheap. I'm Pennsylvania Dutch, if anybody can't tell. That's cheap is in my blood, but yeah. Anyway, I got these Taco 7s, Taco, whatever. I got a couple of them. I got a room here for 4 zones. And then I got my returns going that way, and everywhere. This is bumpy head zone. I got a big sore spot on my freaking right here. I'm not gonna pull my pants down, but right here I got a big black and blue welt from hitting this freaking thing. Got to come up with a solution for that. So anyway, yeah, I got my gauges in here. That one doesn't belong there, just stuck it in the hole. So I'm gonna have have the gauges, bought them, might as well use them. So yeah, these are my supplies, and these are my returns. Alrighty, and then here's my radiant. I redesigned a little bit. Nobody even answered me on my post. Probably looked at me like, what are you doing? Anyway, I'm out of freaking, I didn't buy any more of these copper fittings. I bought this mixing valve for $1. Now, I've been looking on Taco's website, and it says it can be used for radiant or potable water. I guess if it's not going to work right, I can, if it doesn't work right when I have it put together, I could just swap it out for this is a, where's the number on there? This is a 5000-3. I could swap that out. I could swap this body out for a 5000-4. I do believe they're the same size. But anyway, I bought the. I'm going to use PEX here because these things are 12 bucks a piece. I mean, this adapter right here. I bought 2 of them. Here. There we go. Circulator pump, and I'm going to have the circulator pump mounted on hangers, like one of those right there. So anyway, that's going to get soldered together. Circulator pump's going to sit something like that. Sorry again, this is a small basement. I'm running out of room here. Circulator pump's going to sit something like that on mounts. Yeah, it's not straight, it's just mocked up, and then the return is going to come up through here. And this is just a radiant zone. I just used 3/4. I ran out of 1-inch stuff. I don't think it's really going to matter because the inside of that PEX is 0.875. Yeah. Anyway. That's what got going on here. So yeah, I'm gonna work on that. That's what I'm working on today. I gotta go grocery shopping, get Mom's Thanksgiving goodies before everybody buys everything up. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna have a gauge here and a gauge here. Maybe I should have had a gauge here. I don't really have room for it. Guess I'll use a temperature gauge. I'll use a temperature gun, I guess. I don't know, somebody mentioned the simple, keep it simple. Well, I ain't thinking that way. I'm just thinking long term and troubleshooting. You just come down here and see what's going on. What temperature's what, I don't know. So anyway, that's what I'm up to. So yeah, I just gotta put some oil on that thing yet. I gotta remember that. I gotta get some kind of connector to put some BX cable there. And I haven't put the other circulator pumps in place because, watch my thing on that valve. I haven't put the other circulator pumps in place because I got to take this screw out to get to the wiring, and you can't get it with the one next to it. So I'll run the wiring, put the next pump in, run the wiring, put the next pump in. I'm not even sure if I want to use this one right away. Like I said, for now I'm going to use the 5 radiators above this part of the base, this basement here, and then I'm going to use the heat exchanger I put in the furnace for second zone, and the third zone will be the garage, and then I'll work on it from there. So yeah, I got the water hooked up. See, I got the 1/2-inch valve there, I got a 1/2-inch union there. This thing has 2 unions. This is unionized here, so yeah, I would have had this done the other day, but they shipped me a steel nipple instead of a brass one. But I did get a brass nipple in the mail. They didn't even want the steel one back. 73 cents. Would have cost them more in shipping. I got to put pipe dope and Teflon tape on that yet. I got one of these Webstone thingies here. I really like them. I still got to get the valve for up there to shut off, but it's okay. There, that's my mock-up now for the blow-off valve. I gotta get a longer pipe nipple. No, maybe I don't need a longer pipe nipple. I was worried about it hitting the, but yeah, I don't know. There's some kind of cover going here. Do I gotta make it? Do I gotta buy it? Do I really need it? I really didn't want to cover this coil up. I don't know. What do you guys do? What do you guys do? That's why I'm making this video. If anybody's gonna even watch it. So yeah, like I said, I assume another angle goes there, and I don't see any screws here. I don't know if there was nothing there. Could I just cut a piece of metal and 2 pieces of metal or whatever and whatever? I don't know. It doesn't really matter. I got my foam up here. You can see this is universal for either side, or maybe Steve gave me 2 of the wrong ones. I don't know. It don't really matter. You know what I mean? It is what it is. It's 50 years old. I don't expect perfection. Anyway, yeah, I just got the door on the EFM badge. And yeah, I'm getting close. I left this old gauge here. I really like that. That came with the boiler. I guess if it leaks or doesn't work right, I'll get one of these ones. But I got a gauge up here so you can just take a peer of what's going on there, without having to open the door here. I got that there for bleeding, the rag. I mean, I don't know. I was watching some of Dan's videos and reading Dan's books, and this is what he suggested: have a way to get the air out, and then have a shut-off valve there, and then pump away from the expansion tank. That's what I'm doing. I got his book pumping away, and I got the other one about primary, secondary. Like I said, I'm trying to understand this stuff. I got some sorts of learning disabilities. Just managed to make a go of things. So anyway, yeah, it's hot here. So yeah, anybody wants to stove to heat their garage or their shop. There you go. I'm just wanting to get into I want to heat the garage, and I'm in my hot water. But yeah, that's what we got going on here. Let's go over and check the coal supply. And what we got here, 10 minutes? Yeah, well, everybody's making videos really long now. Everybody's making really long videos. So yeah, there's what we got going on there. There's the coal supply. I should be good for a while. I'd like to have this. I'd like to fill this up all the way at one point, but I don't want to fill it up all the way right now because I gotta run plumbing in here for the radiators. One of the radiator supply is going to be like there, and the return's going to be there. Another radiator supply is going to be there, return there. One under the bathroom. There'll be a radiator right above the coal stove here. Supply is going to be interesting. It's going to have to go behind this thing here, this contraption I made here for the water softener. What I have here is I have things so I can bypass them. And no code enforcement guy's ever going to see this. If you're watching this, this is all a set. This is just for educational purposes only. So yeah, there we go. Oh, bang. So yeah, my kid's been doing good. He just I'm trying to program him to take the ashes out. And he's doing a good job. Did he put a new no, we're good there. Good. Yeah, there we go. I'm trying to teach him, you know, because this will be his house someday. And yeah, so there we go. It's quite warm down here. Here's my radiant heat zone. The hot air that gets warm in there from down here, and then the concrete slab warms up, and above that it's framed floor, and that section of the dining room is always warm. The rest of it's cold because of it being in the crawl space. And yeah, dumb me. Maybe I can show you over here. I did it, or didn't it, in the bathroom? No floor sticker here. No, it's only in the. Yeah, I did right here. Yeah, look. Yeah, young Scott. Look, this is what I did all in the addition. You know, because these are like actual 1-inch thick boards, but all in the addition. Yeah, I used the wrong nails. So radiant heat would be out unless I'd nail 1/4-inch strips of plywood to the underside of the floor and then run the radiant. I don't know. We'll see. I got to do a lot of conditioning in there yet. I got to put a sump pump in, and I still got to figure out this chimney too. But yeah, that's what we got going on here. Took the day off yesterday. I had to take Mom to the emergency room, and these freaking doctors don't know what the hell they're doing. Still practicing medicine after thousands of years. Just makes me sick. So anyway, yep. To those who don't like it, eat shit. This is what I like. So yeah, EFM 350 in 1967. Yeah, the plate's right here. It's covered up though. I got that 1-inch insulation is good for 350 degrees and 375 intermittent I was reading. So yeah, let's hope it holds up. And yeah, getting there, shaping up. Running that PEX is going to be interesting in all that zone here. Not a whole lot of room. Just gotta run it, sneak it up in here. wrap some plastic around it or something so it doesn't get scratched up. But we'll just run it this way, and we'll do what we can. It's a mess. It's a real mess. There's a drain for the water softener, and I didn't know if that was going to work either, but it works great. I didn't want to have the trap below. I wanted to have a higher trap. I didn't want, if one of the sinks flooded or the shower flooded, I didn't want the freaking water softener drain flooding all over the basement. So I put it higher than all the others. So yeah, let it clog. So yeah, just gotta put the door on, and hopefully that fits, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go shopping now. So you guys take care. Have a good one, and God bless you. Thanks for watching. Bye.